Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to carve a box in Photoshop for two way. Step 1. See this type. Right click on your mouse for this pen tool. Add anchor point. I added this anchor point. Okay. Then click and drag it or carve. And another way to step 2. Select your box type. Then press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Right click on your mouse. Prefix tip or distort. Warp. Click this icon for this step and see this carp box and again press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl, click and drag it. Hold Ctrl. You can carve another way to press Ctrl T, click this icon and see this customs. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.